All right, Wesley, thank you for that live report. Springfield officials holding a press conference earlier today, sending out a warning to local convenience stores.
Western Mass News reporter Reagan Locree joins us live from City Hall after getting answers on how this could impact the community as well as local cannabis operations. Reagan?
Yeah, that's right, Amanda and Chris. The city's Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris says they've got a list of more than a dozen local establishments selling what they call gas station weed. Now, that's synthetic cannabis, and they say that that's extremely dangerous.
Synthetic cannabinoids mimic a delta-9 and can cause psychoactive effects. Delta-8 and delta-9 are found naturally in cannabis, but in very small amounts, but can be chemically converted from CBD to synthetic cannabinoids and are sold in retail stores, are sold in bodegas, are sold in many venues.
At a press conference Wednesday, Springfield Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris says she's not naming any names at this time, but she hopes this serves as a warning to business owners across the city to stop selling synthetic cannabis, also known as gas station weed. Research by the CDC and healthcare providers reveals that these products can cause a number of health risks, including seizure, stroke, psychiatric hallucinations, suicidal thoughts, and more, leaving city councilors worried for Springfield's youth.
They're targeting our kids.
The city's cannabis compliance coordinator, Xavier Williams, says he's seen teens buying synthetic pre-rolls and other products at convenience stores across Springfield, both while he was on and off the clock.
I'm a single father, and I worry for them, just like I worry for all the children in the community who will simply be like, hey, let me get one of those gummies, not knowing that it's synthetically enhanced.
And although they didn't see the urgency at first, Springfield Police Deputy Chief Stephen Kent says the more he's looked into it, the more he realizes how dire the situation is.
A shop owner, a shopkeeper, handing out a free sample to a potential customer, that's classic drug dealer behavior. You give the first one away for free. I mean, that's been going on as long as people have been selling drugs.
But the biggest worry officials have is that these products are both illegal and unregulated, meaning at this time, stores face no repercussions for selling gas station weed.
We are going to be the first community, city or town in the Commonwealth to push for such aggressive legislation.
An ordinance is set to go in front of the city council soon, and Springfield Mayor Dominic Sarno explains he plans to hit stores that do not comply where it hurts, right in the wallet.
I believe we will get their attention because if you walk into a place and there's 100 products there, we're confiscating it, and then you're going to get hit with a $30,000 fine, $300 per item.
Now, Mayor Dominic Sarno says that they did reach out to the Cannabis Control Commission, hoping that they would do something to regulate this. However, he says that they, quote, punted on it. But he assures us that his administration will not. Reporting live in Springfield, Reagan Locree for Western Mass News.
Reagan, thank you.